In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma designs to PowerPoint presentations. Start by opening your design in Figma. Make sure your slides are organized as top-level frames in the left layers panel. The plugin we'll use reads each top-level frame as a slide. So keeping them tidy and clearly named will make the export process smoother and your final deck easier to navigate. Inside your Figma file, right-click anywhere on the canvas. Hover over Plugins and search for Pitch Deck Presentation Studio. When you see it, select it to launch. If a separate window appears asking you to run it, go ahead and confirm. The plugin panel will open and automatically scan your file. Once it loads, you'll see your top-level frames populated as slides in the plugin. This is a great moment to double-check the order. Drag to reorder slides if something's out of place. Consistent naming and a logical sequence here will save time later in PowerPoint, especially if you need to deliver a polished presentation quickly. Next, configure your export. Click Export Presentation and choose PowerPoint as the format. This will prepare a PPTX file that works across Windows and macOS. Before you export, set your preferences. If available, enable the beta option for editable text. This keeps text layers live in PowerPoint so you can tweak copy, adjust sizes, and respect brand fonts without redoing slides. If it's off, text may be rasterized into images, which limits editing. Then, turn on the feature to convert Figma components into master slides. This maps your consistent elements, like headers, footers, and layout blocks into PowerPoint's master system, making global changes faster and keeping your deck uniform. Finally, adjust compression to control file size. Higher compression reduces the size but can soften images. Lower compression preserves crisp visuals at a larger file size. A balanced medium setting usually works well for presentations with photos and icons. When you are ready, click Export PowerPoint. The plugin will generate your PPTX file and prompt you to download it. Save it to a project folder so it's easy to locate later and share with your team. And that's it. Thanks for watching.